So, how would you pronounce this word?
Is it dough?
Yeah, that's right, dough. And what about this one?
Well, if this one is dough, then this one is cow?
Not really. This one is actually pronounced as cough.
Calf. Cough.
And how would you pronounce this word?
Okay, if this one is cough, then this one is tough?
Nope. This one is actually pronounced as tough.
Calf. Duff. Dough. Dough. Cow. Calf.
Okay, I'll see you later.
Alligator.
So this one is actually pronounced as alligator. Like, see you later, alligator. Hey, how do you pronounce "can I smack you with a pillow"? Just asking for a friend.
See you later, alligator.